Welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making pink velvet cupcakes. Ooh! Let's make our mixture. Start by adding 1/3 of a cup of butter and 1/2 cup of sugar into a mixing bowl. Blend together. Use a spatula to remove it from the sides of the bowl and crack in 1 egg and pour in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk again. Add 1/6 of a cup of buttermilk and 1/2 cup of flour. Don't forget your food colouring to make it pink. Whisk that up. And then repeat the process. Another 1/6 cup of buttermilk and another 1/2 cup of flour. Let's whisk that up. Using your spatula to remove it from the sides of the bowl, making sure it's all mixed together properly. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to that. And your cake mixture is ready. Let's spoon it into our cake holders. Now these are going to bake in the oven at 175 degrees for 25 minutes, and they should come out looking something like this. Whilst they're cooling, let's make the icing. Buttercream icing. 1 cup of butter, churned up, plus 1 cup of icing sugar. We're adding that a little bit at a time because it gets rather messy. And your buttercream icing is ready to pipe onto your cupcakes. Use your choice of nozzle to create the pattern you want. Our pink velvet cupcakes are looking rather girly and frilly because we like it that way. Yum! I'm getting hungry. How about you? Time to decorate with some butterflies. And maybe a few flowers. Wow, awesome! Your pink velvet cupcakes are ready to devour. Devour the flower.